In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero accounting software UK. Start by heading to the Xero demo company for the UK. This demo environment mirrors a live account but uses sample data, so it's perfect for exploring features without affecting real books. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to notice the main navigation. You'll see options like Home, Sales, Purchases, Reporting, Payroll, Accounting, Tax, Contacts, and Projects. We'll walk through each one so you know exactly where to go for common tasks. Click Home to view your financial snapshot. Here you'll typically see bank account balances, cash flow insights, and quick links to reconcile transactions. You can keep an eye on what's owed to you and what you owe, and jump into bank reconciliation to keep your accounts tidy. If something looks off, use this area as your starting point to investigate. Next, open Sales. This is where you create and manage invoices, quotes, and credit notes. You can track drafts, awaiting approval, and overdue invoices at a glance. Try customizing columns and filters to quickly find what needs attention. To speed up your workflow, save frequently used invoice templates and set default due dates. Go to Purchases to manage bills and purchase orders. You can record new bills, mark approvals, and schedule payments. The repeating bills feature is helpful for subscriptions or rent. Keep an eye on due dates here to maintain healthy supplier relationships and avoid late fees. Open Reporting to access your profit and loss, balance sheet, aged receivables, and aged payables. Use the date pickers and cash versus accrual options to tailor each report. Save your favorite reports for quick access, and add simple comparatives or tracking categories to understand performance by department or project. Select Payroll to handle UK payroll tasks. Here you'll manage employees, pay runs, leave, and pay slips. Ensure details like tax codes and pension settings are correct before processing a pay run. The demo data is great for practicing without sending anything externally. Click Accounting to find the chart of accounts, bank reconciliation, and manual journals. This is also where you'll manage fixed assets and review your general ledger. Keep your chart of accounts clean and consistent to make reporting easier. Open Tax to prepare VAT returns. You can review transactions included in each period and check for any anomalies before filing. If you use Making Tax Digital, ensure your connection is set up in a real account. Go to Contacts to manage customers and suppliers. Store details, default tax rates, and account settings to speed up invoicing and billing. Finally, open Projects to track time and costs against jobs, create quotes, and monitor profitability. That's your guided tour of Xero's core areas in the UK setup. Explore each section in the demo, and you'll be ready to work confidently in a live account.